Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Sultans of Swing Alchemy on guitar. First, ensure your guitar is perfectly in tune to standard EAD-GBE. Next, dial in a clean amplifier tone, adding a touch of reverb and compression to achieve that signature Dire Straits sound. Understanding the song's structure, including its distinct sections, will greatly aid your learning process. We'll break down each part step by step. Now, let's tackle the iconic main riff. It primarily uses D minor, C major, B flat major, and a major chord shapes. The key is the precise arpeggiated picking pattern, often involving hybrid picking. Pay close attention to the subtle hammer-ons and pull-offs that give the riff its fluid feel. Practice these transitions slowly, ensuring each note rings out clearly and with consistent timing. Moving on to the solos, the D minor pentatonic scale forms the foundation, but with crucial additions like the major sixth. Expressive string bending and a controlled vibrato are absolutely essential for capturing the song's feel. Experiment with double stops and melodic embellishments to add depth and character to your lead lines. Remember, it's about feel and phrasing, not just speed. To truly master this piece, consistent practice is key. Always use a metronome to build rock-solid timing and rhythm. Listen intently to the original recording, absorbing every nuance of Knopfler's playing. Begin practicing at a very slow tempo, focusing on accuracy and clean execution. Gradually increase your speed only when you can play each section flawlessly. Enjoy the journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.